a comforting symbol for Mulan, as her father taught her that she would blossom beautifully in her own time. And now, Mulan and friends are honored to share the beautiful Chinese traditions and heritage of this joyous holiday. Please join them in welcoming Mushu as we celebrate the Year of the Snake. The spirited dragon dance is one of Mulan's favorite traditions. She learned from her ancestors that the wise and powerful dragon dances across the sky to scare away bad luck and bring good fortune in the new year. When Mulan was a little girl, her mother taught her that traditionally, the ribbon dance was performed for royalty as an expression of gratitude and honor. Mulan loves the swirly colors of the ribbons. Mulan learned to respect the strength and discipline of the martial arts from her father. And now, Mulan and friends are honored to share the beautiful Chinese traditions and heritage of this joyous holiday. Please join them in welcoming Mushu as we celebrate the Year of the Snake. The blooming flower is a comforting symbol for Mulan, as her father taught her that she would blossom beautifully in her own time. The spirited dragon dance is one of Mulan's favorite traditions. She learned from her ancestors that the wise and powerful dragon dances across the sky to scare away bad luck and bring good fortune in the new year. Mushu's favorite ancient art forms. They represent beauty, grace, and delicacy. Thank you for joining Mulan and her friends as they shared the beautiful traditions of Chinese dance and artistry in Mulan's Lunar New Year procession.